Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Porsche key cover. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, as these will be essential for safely disassembling the key. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any small components during the process. Having the new key cover ready will also streamline the replacement. To begin, locate the small release button on your Porsche key fob and slide out the emergency key blade. This step is crucial for accessing the internal components. Next, use a plastic pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver to gently separate the two halves of the key cover. Work slowly around the seam to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the old cover is removed, carefully align the new key cover halves. Make sure all the internal components, like the circuit board and buttons, are correctly seated within the new housing. Press the two halves firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, reinsert the emergency key blade into its slot. After installing the new cover, take a moment to test all the buttons to ensure they function properly. Check for any gaps or loose areas in the assembly, confirming a snug fit. Also, verify that the emergency key blade retracts and extends smoothly. This simple process can give your key a fresh look and feel, protecting its internal electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.